evening. I am Ankit Srivastava, Faculty of Mathematics. Today I am going to introduce you trigonometry. The word trigonometry comes from Greek words trigon and metron. Trigon means three sides, and we know the shape which is enclosed by three sides is basically known as triangle. So in a triangle there are sides and angles, so we need to measure sides of the triangle and angles of the triangle. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the triangles. Particularly triangles are in a plane and one of its interior angle is right angle. So trigonometry specifically deals with the relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. So next, why do we study trigonometry? So we study trigonometry to measure the height, distance and angles. If we know how far we are from the tree and we know the angle of deviation is 30 degree, then using trigonometry we can easily find the height of this tree. So similarly we use trigonometry in construction, electric circuit, flight engineering, sonar, radar and so on. So now let us discuss about right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, a triangle in which one of its interior angle is 90 degree is known as right angle triangle. So what is right angle? Right angle means 90 degree. Right angle triangle. This is right angle. So this is right angle triangle, and if we take this is 90 degree, then this is also a right angle triangle. And if we take this triangle and this one is also a 90 degree right angle triangle. And we know the side opposite to right angle is known as hypotenuse. So this is also a hypotenuse opposite to 90 degree, and this is also hypotenuse opposite to 90 degree. If we take angle of reference theta, what is theta? Theta is a Greek letter which is used to represent an angle. Then the side opposite to angle of reference is known as perpendicular. And if we take angle of reference theta, then the side opposite to angle of reference is perpendicular. If we take this theta, then the side opposite to angle of reference is perpendicular. Opposite to theta is perpendicular, and the side adjacent to angle of reference is known as base. This is adjacent side angle of reference, then this is base, and this one is also base, and this is also base. So we understood about perpendicular, hypotenuse and base in a right angle triangle. So we know the Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to p square plus b square. We can also write is this b square plus p square. I can make you visualize this formula, but in next class. Sorry for this. And next, let us discuss about all the possible combination of the ratio of sides of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, there are hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. All possible combination of ratio of two sides in a right angle triangle let us take this is right angle triangle, this is 90 degree. So in front of this the side is hypotenuse, and if we take the angle of reference theta, then this the opposite side is perpendicular, and this is adjacent side to the angle of reference, so this is base. And all possible combinations of ratio of two sides, first is P upon H, second if we take B upon H, third P upon B, B upon P, and H upon B, and H upon P. And in trigonometry such ratios can be represented by sine theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, cotangent theta, and this is secant theta, and this is cosecant theta. And the abbreviation we use for these trigonometry signs is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. So here we can see P upon H, H upon P. So sine theta is reciprocal of cosec theta, and P upon H, H upon B. So cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta, and P upon B and B upon P. So tan theta is reciprocal of tan cot theta. So the mnemonics to learn this ratio I will give.